How to fix call failed on iPhone. To fix call failures on the iPhone, you first need to swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen. Then, you first need to enable airplane mode and disable it after a while. This way your network will refresh. Then swipe up and get back to your home screen. From here, you need to tap on the phone app. Then, dial a number on your dial pad. Minimize the application, and open up settings on your iPhone. Once you're in, tap on the cellular option. Then, go to cellular data options. After that, go to voice and data. From here, you need to make sure the network is set to 5G. Then, hit backspace and go to network selection. Make sure that this option is set to automatic. By following these simple steps, you can easily fix call failed on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.